Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing great. So there is a big news coming from the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India that they have announced the dates for the intermediate results. That is 19th of September Sunday और 20th of September 2021. तो बहुत सारे बच्चों का सवाल होगा कि सर 19th या फिर 20th किस दिन आएगा रिजल्ट. तो रिजल्ट जो एक्सपेक्टेड है दैट इज ऑन 19th ओनली, बट 20th का वन डे जो है दैट इज अ रिजर्व डे, दैट इन केस ऑफ एनी सर्वर फेलियर और एनी अदर थिंग the results will be declared on 20th. But as of now the results will be declared on Sunday, that is 19th of September. सर क्या कर दिया ICAI ने, सर संडे खराब कर दिया. सर संडे को तो हमने इंजॉय करना है, सर संडे को तो रिलैक्स करना है. एक चीज समझ लो, जो CA के बच्चे हैं उनके लिए कोई रिलैक्सेशन नहीं है. संडे हो या मंडे, इट इज वन एंड द सेम थिंग, राइट. सो संडे 19th ऑफ सितंबर को आप लोगों का रिजल्ट आ रहा है. ICAI ने ऐसी अनाउंसमेंट दे दी है और ये उन्होंने वेबसाइट्स बताई हैं कि भाई इन 3 वेबसाइट्स पर जाकर आप लोग अपना रिजल्ट देख सकते हो, किसी भी वेबसाइट पर जाकर. सो कीप योर एडमिट कार्ड्स एंड एवरीथिंग रेडी विद यू टुडे इटसेल्फ, राइट. अगर लास्ट मोमेंट पे कहो कि सर एडमिट कार्ड नहीं मिल रहा, लास्ट मोमेंट पे सर पिन नहीं मिल रहा, सर ये नहीं मिल रहा, वो नहीं मिल रहा, तो भाई आज ही ढूंढ के रख लो सारा कुछ. इट शुड बी, एवरीथिंग शुड बी रेडी विद यू पीपल, राइट. योर एडमिट कार्ड, योर रोल नंबर, योर पिन, एवरीथिंग शुड बी देयर, right. And they have told you this thing that it may be noted that for accessing the result the candidate shall have to enter his or her registration number or PIN number along with his or her roll number. That is why I am saying that everything should be ready with you, right. And they are saying that if you want to get your results through email, so the request should be put on iciexam.ici.org from 17th of September. You will get the results in your email also, right. So this is a big announcement today itself. Just a few hours back, 17th September, we have got this announcement from ICAI. This is a big thing, sir. Sunday is a big day now, right. So now what I want to convey to you people through this, that be ready for both the results, right. Your mindset really matters at this moment. So what is meant by this mindset? See, one thing is clear, that ICAI is not going to pass each and every student, right. Now you should be ready for both the results. Prepare yourself for both the results. Why I am saying prepare yourself? That you should not be disappointed in case it is a negative result. Why? सर बहुत दुख होता है, सर हमने बहुत मेहनत की थी. बिल्कुल आप लोगों ने बहुत मेहनत की थी. यू हैव पुट इन योर बेस्ट एफर्ट्स इन द प्रेपरेशन, राइट. But one thing, ICAI is not going to clear each and every person. Secondly, there might be your mistakes also. Still, if you have done your best efforts, still there might be an room for improvement in those efforts or in your preparations or from where you studied or with your concept clarity or with your practice of questions, your written practice of questions. So there are a lot of things, right. What you need to do is, instead of being disappointed, I know disappointments are there, right. Even I have gone through that period. Disappointments are there. It is a general human feeling, I can say, right. But then you have to rise above it. एक बार मुझे किसी ने कहा था कि एक CA जो है ना, वो अच्छा CA तब तक नहीं बनता जब तक उसने फेलियर को फेस नहीं किया, right. So even if it is a negative result, don't think that it is the end of the road. No, it is the beginning of a new journey, of a better journey, where you will have the better clarity of thoughts, where you will try to find out that where you lacked, that you couldn't be among those people where the ICAI was forced to clear you. That is very important, that your preparation should be such that ICAI is forced to clear you, to show you the past result. This should be the level of preparation, right. So that this is one message that I wanted to share with you people, that your results are coming on 19th of September. And now the important message, another important message is that all those who have started costing FM Eco from KSJ Teaching, I request all of you to please share your results through the email ID, right. You can email your results along with your mark sheets. Email ID is ksjteaching@gmail.com, right. Or what you can do is, you can share your result through Telegram. The links of the Telegram group and the channel that the given in the video description. Then you can do it, the third way is you can share your result through our mobile app. Through our mobile app, Android mobile app, that is again KSJ Teaching. So you can download the mobile app where the other courses are also available. So you can download it and you can share your results through these sources, right? And what you have to do is, after you share your result, we'll give you a form to fill you, right? Please do fill that form, because all those who will be clearing, all those who will be sharing their results, we would like to acknowledge your efforts in that, right? Whatever efforts you have put in, the special efforts that you have put in preparations, in attempt, in scoring those marks, right? And most importantly, for all those people who couldn't clear or who would not be able to clear the exam this time, we'll make sure that we'll come up with something special for you people, that you feel motivated, right? And we'll make sure that in the next attempt, that is the December 21 attempt, you are able to give your best, at least in our subjects, that is costing, FM and eco, right? So we'll definitely come up with something special for you people. Don't worry about it. We'll be there for you to make sure that December 21 is your last attempt in the inter. Then you move on to the final part, or the next journey of your being a chartered accountant, right? So this is an important message, guys. All the best for Sunday. Stay tuned. We'll see you on Sunday. Do share your results through email, Telegram, or our mobile app, Android mobile app, KSJ Teaching. Do share your results, right? So all the best. Wait for Sunday. See you guys on Sunday. Thank you so much.